Hello. As a county, we are making fantastic progress in the fight against COVID. Thank you for everything you are doing. Our take-up rate for the vaccine is amongst the highest in the country with no sign of slowing down. This is fantastic. Make sure you get both doses so you have maximum protection. We're also seeing good demand for rapid testing kits, now available from more than 100 pharmacies, making it even easier for you to get yours. Until all groups have been fully vaccinated, regular testing remains an important tool in our toolbox. Because of everyone's hard work and commitment, we are making good progress against the government's roadmap, with parts of our lives already feeling much more normal. The last step of the government's roadmap is now just weeks away, but you would have heard a lot recently about variants and the risk they pose to the remaining restrictions being lifted. Understandably, news of the new variants, such as the strain first identified in India, raises concern within communities, and it is right that we are vigilant and don't let our guard down. We are now seeing cases in parts of the county, and although they are still in very small numbers, it's important we stop and check that we're still doing all the things we know help to protect us and our loved ones. As new variants spread in the same way, there are no new or additional steps to give you, but we all must continue to wash our hands well and often, wear a face covering where required, keep our distance, and if we're meeting others indoors, make sure we're letting lots of fresh air in. If you think you have any of the symptoms, isolate straight away, get a PCR test as soon as possible, and give as much information as possible to the NHS Test and Trace team. If there is a need to do anything more or differently, we will let you know as soon as possible. But in the meantime, keep doing all you're doing. By taking all the steps I've outlined, you will help stop infection in its tracks, minimising the chance of spread within your community and the need for extra measures such as mass testing that we've seen elsewhere in the country. It's been a long, tough and emotional journey. Let's make sure it ends soon. Thank you all so much.